Hello, this is JB, and welcome. As the tide rises and falls, so does my confidence within. Coming in and going out, feelings and love I'm constantly distinguishing. Fluctuating between feeling amazing at the top end and at the lower end, sometimes feeling distraught. Some days I'm so absolutely amazing, others I'm overwrought. Like the raging winds beating outside my window pane, on a cold, wet and blustery day, the crashing of the constant decisions in my mind, thoughts of places better spent far away. Getting in touch with my tender parts, exploring what is really good, reaching the depths of love I have for myself, knowing and accepting myself, I really should. I could be more gentle with my tender parts. Should I place my heart upon a pedestal, protecting my honor like a guardian should? Knowing the comfort that comes from just doing good. Each day is a new challenge. Each day has many tasks to be done. Ever-changing landscapes of endless possibilities, things that I have left undone. I'm getting better at this game called life. I think I may just have it sussed. Going through my daily chores, helping others where I could. Feeling better each day I live. Hey, I'm just trying to make my little mark. Thoughts of feeling sublime, just hoping my dreams and wishes align. One day at a time, I say. Do you know, that's all it really takes. One practice at a time to gain strength and wisdom. One moment at a time to have faith. Every day feeling better and more understood. Each day a new beginning. One more day to get it right. Each and every day I live is another day to keep on singing. Finding a deeper connection with myself. Brushing off and igniting old feelings of joy. Coming to touch with my tender parts again. And reveling in my womanhood, of which I do enjoy. Let me count the ways, I say, to find more love for myself. Touching the very heart of me, while making sure my goodness is not left on the shelf. finding new and exciting ways to love myself, just knowing deep down it can never ever end. For if I want to be truly loved by others, I have myself to mend. Picking up the broken pieces that were once me, putting them all back together piece by piece, showing myself I am worth the effort of making my self-love increase. This love I feel is more than brand new. It's something I remember from a life that went askew. But forget I didn't, I found my way back here. Expanding that feeling every time I remember is so clear. There is another way. There's always light at the end of the tunnel. By letting go and surrendering what no longer serves you, so much self-love and passion will never crumble. Showing others by loving myself that I can be the subject of love. Leaning into my tender parts, feeling unexplainably good. It's been beautiful exploring my tender parts. This love is all I need to navigate this beautiful life with joy never before seen. I love myself each and every day. To this I can confess. Loving kindness is in my life for good. And this is what I lovingly manifest. Namaste.